another video. So today's look is more based on the skin. I've done a full coverage look today, and I have done a little bit of contouring, you know, chubby cheek issues, big forehead issues. Anyway, sorry. Yes, so I've done a little bit of a halo look on the eyes. I'll let you have a little bit of an up close look. Oh, that highlighter could be better. Anyway, so that's the sort of look I've done today. If you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to, if you really want to, if you like us, you can subscribe, which is down, I was going to say downstairs, which is down there too. And there is a little notification bell down one of the corners, down below somewhere. If you click that, you'll be notified whenever I post and upload. If you follow me on Twitter or Instagram, you will be notified when I'm going to upload. I'm going to try and upload every Monday at 5 o'clock in UK time. I still need to find out different time zones, but other than that, I hope you enjoy this video, so let's get into the video. I'm going to just put me a little bit of whatever they are behind my ears. I'm just going to start with putting a little bit of moisturiser on because my skin is dry AF and it needs moisture. I am starting with the brows as always, people. I'm going to list all the products down below in the description, but I'm going to use the conditioning primer, Satisfying Click. Obviously Benefit, like come on, Benefit is the best for brows. If I'm not looking at the camera, it's because I'm looking at my mirror above the camera. Right, hold on. Give them a light brush, you know, when you know, you know. Sorry for maybe my weird wacky self today. Oh, the need done. So like always, I'm going to start at the front of my brow, work to the arch, and then to the end of my brow. I'm trying to do it so you can see. The brows are sort of even. I'm just gonna brush them out. So I'm just gonna blend that. And I'm gonna get a little bit of concealer. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of NYX Control. So it's just a brow gel. Like I always do. Brows done. I know a lot of people like to draw their brows in quite full, but I don't. I just like to fill them in a little bit, especially when they need doing. Not the best look, not the best look. NYX eyeshadow primer, and that is going on. I always like to put an eye primer on because these hood eyes, like, ugh. God, try to see what I'm gonna look like in a good 30 years with me hooded eyes and wonky brows and all that look. Mint! Right, so I set the eye primer with a translucent powder. It's a Kandi Cosmetics. I just love this palette. Oh, I'm hitting pan on one of my favourite colours. Haha! Right, I'll move back a bit. So I'm going to use this colour and this colour. So I'm going to use this one first. And that is going to go in the crease of my lid. So I always say start off light and then you can add more colour. I just think it helps with blending. I think if you put too much on, it goes a bit too much and you just can't get a decent blend. That's how I feel anyway. Obviously everyone's different. So with both eyes right on the arch done, this darker pink for the halo effect. But I'm just gonna add that. So I've only worked from the outer corner to halfway in the middle, and I'm going to leave a tiny little gap and then do the inner to the middle of the eyelid with the same colour. Like that. It looks ridiculous, but just wait until I clean it up, it'll look fine. It will be good. Is it gonna rain? Don't rain! Every bloody time. So now that I've got the pinks on, I'm going to do a little bit of concealer, and I'm just going to add that to the little gap that I've left. And this is how you're going to get your halo effect. I'm going to get the same flat brush and just add a tiny bit of translucent powder because I don't want that concealer to move. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add that light pink right there to where I've done the concealer. And I would sometimes use pigments, but I really want to put my highlighter, which is Dandelion. Benefit, obviously, well used. Right, so now I'm going to focus more on my skin. I'm breaking out, so I've got loads of red, I've got spots, especially red irritation around my nose because of the cold that I do have. And it's just I'm not feeling it. We're getting rid of all this today. So I use the Pure Active Matte Control Moisturiser from Garnier. Don't know why I did so dramatically. And apply that all over. Girl, you dry. I'm going to use a Fix Base Spray Primer. Refreshing. I need like a fan so you go whoosh, and then, but for now I shall use my hands. Dry, dry, please dry very quickly. Just, I'll bet I look weird just fanning my face. Right, 2 pumps of the Hello Flawless Oxygen Wow from Benefit, obviously. And I'll literally dab this all over my face. Neck. Remember, your neck needs to be blended as well, people. You don't want to look like you've got a mask, especially if you're going to use a different shade. Careful around the eyes, you just did them. Just beat your face up. To the neck, to the neck. Blend the neck, please. Base, base, base. Butternut biscuit base. What's that again? Anywho, I use a mix of products. I don't use loads of high-end products. I still get good skin using AVON products, believe it or not. They've got a range in called Mark. This is not an ad. And I absolutely love it. It's just, it works for my skin. And I'm gonna put a triangle. And then I'm gonna like contour the nose. So I'm gonna do that. I'm always messy with my concealer. No doubt about it. And then I just randomly do like a circle here. I am going to attempt to contour this big ass forehead, but we'll see how it goes. You know me. And then I'm just going to blend that in. Blendy, blendy. I'm going to add a little bit of Hello Flawless. So I'm going to use my MAC baking powder. Yes, it's AVON. Now I've used this little palette for a little while, and it's TAYLA-BLUE by Hot Mess. And like, these are products that I've tried and just loved and stuck with. So no, it's not any fancy contour palette. It's just something that I like and I know that it works for me. So I'm going to use, I've got numbers, it's shade 5, which is the middle one. As you can tell that I use this quite a lot. It is my favourite. I'm just going to carve out and match the cheeks. That you go. Then I'm going to still use the same shade and go around my big ass forehead. Just get all in there. Do the nose in a bit. I get quite a thick brush. And I just blend that a bit more. I promise it's not that dark. I'm going to add number 2 just to my forehead because I need to fix this little side. I'm going to get rid of the powder that is baking. It's still quite a bit powdery, so I'm just going to put this on. Now the contour is done, I am going to add blush. It is MAC and it is in the shade Make You Mine. Girl. Right. And now for the nose. I know you've all been waiting for it. It's finally here. It's an angled brush and it is an eyeshadow brush, but this is what I use for my nose. And I'm going to use the same shade of number 5. And I leave it like that. I'm joking. I just blend it. Blend it. I swear in the mirror I don't look like my contour is that dark. But I don't know if it's a ring light or shadows and stuff, but I don't know. Get a little bit on my brush and spray it. And just does my nose look quite out there? Ew, but it is. And I use a little, well, it's a thin fan brush because I like it to look quite, I know a lot of people don't use these sort of brushes, but I do. White pencil on the waterline. It's a thicker flat brush and I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit at the sides here, and I'm just gonna go underneath but halfway. Like, I'm not gonna go too wacky. Just put a little bit of pink in the corner and then just blended highlighter just in the corner of my eye. So I've just went over with a baby wipe over my lips, so there's no foundation or anything on them. So before I start my lips, I'm going to add a little bit of highlight on my cupid's bow. Right, so I always put lip balm on, just a little NIVEA one. Ooh, smooth. Draw a little lip liner on with a darker nude. And this is an AVON nude in Au Natural. Gonna stick with natural lashes today. I use Bad Girl Bang. Bad Girl Bang mascara, again from Benefit. Why is my house echoing? Echo! Echoing a little bit in this household.